The social proofing stands behind it, right? We see other people buying all the toilet paper. So like whatever the society does, we have to do that too, right? So people are buying up TVs and guns, alcohol and hand sanitizer that they probably never used in their entire life. The application of this for capital raisers is just as important as for any other business. I would invite all of us to adapt and pivot how this applies specifically to capital raisers and multifamily investors. That's the direction that we want to go and explore right here live. If the marketing message is saying the same thing, you as a business owner would be missing out. We know that these can be unnerving times. We can help you regain control in the midst of chaos. Do you hear a difference in the messaging that he's using to his target avatar?
A big part of raising capital is building that trust with your investors. In times like these, we have to step up as syndicators, as capital raisers, step up and be leaders. We see a lot of people in these times because they're uncertain themselves. They're also, because of that uncertainty, they're not putting out anything to their investors. They're like, okay, well, I don't want to upset anyone. And so they don't put out any communications. The message that your investors get is, in times of hardship, these guys disappear.
Yeah.
What we need to be doing during this time is increasing our rate of communication and over communicating so that we can be a source of certainty for our investors. Think about what your investor avatar is going through. Everywhere you look on the news, people are talking about people not being able to pay their rent. Investors everywhere are thinking, okay, if I invest in real estate over these next few months, people are not going to be able to pay their rent. So I'm going to lose money on my investment. So I should just hold on to my liquid cash, wait and ride this thing out.
Look at what the stock market is doing. The recession is here. A lot of people have the fear that the recession is actually here right now, going on around us as we speak. To share the stability of the multifamily workforce, our rents, surprisingly enough, Annie, are actually up. They're higher than they were pre-COVID. How can we update our message? The messaging could be, this asset class has so many things that can really repair the damage that is perceived by the people that are afraid. You can stop riding the roller coaster that is Wall Street and put your money into something that's more stable, something that produces cash flow, something that produces tax benefits. I would invite all of us to adapt and pivot.